Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
It's all about the eggs. The #1 secret to getting fluffy, thick pancakes every time is to separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. Put the egg yolks in the bowl with the wet ingredients like normal. And then, in a separate bowl, beat the egg whites all by themselves for about 3 minutes on medium speed.
Take our lead.
Separate and beat egg whites. Right before cooking, fold in the egg white peaks into the batter. It's like folding in clouds. Don't fully combine and leave little bits of egg whites showing. It might seem too thick pouring them onto the pan, but that's what makes the fluffiest pancakes.
Let's help you make your mark.
Using crappy, old flour, butter, etc. That means mixing until the flour streaks have disappeared, but leaving the pesky lumps. If you overmix, the gluten will develop from the flour in your batter, making your pancakes chewy instead of fluffy.
Let's help you make your mark.
Overmixing pancake batter develops the gluten that will make the pancakes rubbery and tough. For light, fluffy pancakes, you want to mix just until the batter comes together. It's okay if there are still some lumps of flour. Fat, melted butter, makes the pancakes rich and moist.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.